Yes, so people big up on yourself. I don't know what's the new link there in the day, you know, people giving thanks to life as usual. I don't know the thing go right. But right now, I tell my people, right now, I don't feel good. I seriously don't feel good. Boy, you see in life, people, I tell us so we can expect the unexpected, you know, people. You see, life is a funny thing, you know. That's why I tell every man, I say every day they on earth, every morning you wake up, give God thanks. Every time you go in your car or drive on the road, give God thanks. Yo, this is life. We just don't know. We can be here today strong and happy tomorrow, and tomorrow we're gone. Not joke, people. Zin? Because right now, why me express myself so I come to talk people? Luton Shelton people. Lost his father. His father dead. Luton Shelton, you know. That a Luton Shelton, you know. The Harbour View star player. The farmer regular boy who we know through a brief illness, what them say. It's a really serious illness which can cause him life. It's very serious. And now, this youth that expects sadness, people. Because he lost his father. I remember last year when his father did come forward and I talk about his son and I say, yo, him love him son and I look help for him son, people. And now to tell you that the man lose his father. I remember them saying father was like the real strong supporter with his wife and thing in the people. And his father is just 54 years old. You understand? And Luton Shelton, he means the junior, same father, Luton same way, senior. You understand? It's really sad, people, and terrible. I tell you how, you know, I feel it, you know, because I know the pain where Luton Shelton I got through now inside. Because remember him sitting next where certain things he never can do, people. You get me? Or if you know say him lose him father now, we know say always the day and care for him like that. Oh my God, man, me I tell the people, it's a life sometime. Yo, every day, people, we give God thanks. We just don't know. And you see how the man looks strong and healthy and them say he was at home when he just collapsed. And them rush him to the hospital and, you know what I mean? Boy, I tell you, not make it. Not make it, people. I tell you, yo, boy, I just live. My viewers and my subscribers out there, I just want to know this now. If you're in the United States, if you're in England, if you're in Canada, if you're in Trinidad, Barbados, Bahamas, St. Vincent, St. Kitts, in Africa, all over the world anyway, Jamaica, Turks and Caicos, see when you link I tell you, no, man. Put God, you know, in the life. Because even if we're dead and gone, just remember this. So we always have God inside. You get me? I say? We grew up and hear with grandmother and grandfather tell you about the Almighty. So some man we get up and a turn big man now and a turn idiot and a talk about there's no God. You look into yourself. Look into yourself. Because life, people, they are me I give God thanks, you know. Right now, I see there, over there. Now the beautiful Turks and Caicos. Plenty rain this morning, people. Plenty rain. You understand? Plenty rain. So, right now, I just stay and relax. Because too much water there on the road. So, I just relax. I mean, want to drive the car. Because the car low. Too much water go up in the muffler and them thing. And next damage New Link car. And I go stress out New Link and them thing. And I don't want New Link stress out. You understand? I don't want that. So, there are people. Till I wait and I wait for me look a verdict on them thing. You know what I mean? Them say maybe a month or so. I wait. So I have to just do what I have to do. If anything I mean the work out, I just life. You see me? Some of you and my subscribers, hear me I say, enough love and enough respect. You don't know the thing, but I mean say attack, blessings people, enough love, peace. I'm out. Put God first. Big up on yourself.